Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be continuing the build on this here Ranger. So yeah, hope you enjoy. First, today we're going to finish the mounts. We're going to mount up the taillights I bought, and we're going to also wire the taillights in. So yeah, this is all new to me, so let's see how this goes. Beautiful. So we've got 2 verticals and 2 horizontals. This was originally the first one I made, and yeah, I fucked it up. So this one is going in the trash pile. Yep. So we're gonna make a new one. Still got some steel. I gotta clean her off, cut her up, and weld her up again, and basically just be more precise. There we go, guys. There, 1 and 2. Now I'm confused, and I don't know what's going on, because I just tested them again. And so, on the left side, as you can see, fast signal light, like a very fast beat one, which, you know, I expected. However, when I turn the other blinker on, huh? This is sorcery. I don't know. What I was going to say was that it was going slowly. But clearly, I'm wrong. I am officially very stupid. Because what was going on was that these 2 wires here, which I just set up to test them, and they're uncovered, so when they touch, the light turns off, but also the truck, because it's getting signal back, it thinks that the bulb is back, so then it goes to a slow back to the original signal speed. So yeah, I'm just dumb. Yay! I've got these trailer connectors, and I'm hoping that they will have enough spots for wires that I can hook it up to the original wires for the taillights. Hopefully. As you can see, this one has 5, and this has 4 slots. That's not gonna work. Alright, here's the sad sight of the original box. As you can see, it's she was ready to go. Oh, that's all rusted away, and same with all along the front here, all rusted away. So, but we do have to still pull a few parts off this, like we have to take the filler neck off here, but we'll do that some other day. But what we're after right now is we are after, where is she? Right here. This beauty right here. And there we go. So we got this. Now let's see if we can solder it back together. There we go. 4 more. Now we just gotta match this to these. Well, it was starting to work. I was almost getting there, and then I think I blew a fuse in the truck. So, yeah, awesome, guys. So as you can see now, I'm wearing a different shirt. It's been a couple days. I got the fuse fixed, which is awesome, and we're going to be finally soldering together and heat shrinking the rear tail light wires so that they're solid and they're good. So, yep. Oh, you can. There we go, guys. So, all of the joints are all soldered, and they look good. So, now the last thing to do is to test them to make sure I haven't soldered something up backwards. Yeah. Left. Right. And running lights. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So she's totally good. I didn't fuck anything up. And she looks awesome. So the next step is we got to make a bunch of these. This was just a prototype I made out of some scrap steel I had laying around, but basically this is the idea. This is going to go underneath the flatbed, where this is going to be welded to the bottom of the flatbed, and in here is going to be the hole that correlates with the same hole in the frame of the truck. And so we've got some steel, and we got a welder, and we got some drills. So yeah, let's make it happen. So there we go, guys. All the steel we need to mount that thing to the frame. So of course, first we got these are all different lengths for the suspension to travel. So of course, here is going to be is the shortest, and then of course up here is the longest. And we've actually got a fairly large difference. This is like 4.5 inches, and this is about 7.5 inches of steel to keep it level. And I have tested it, and it actually is, it's perfectly level. So I'm very happy with that. And so basically next we have to drill a bunch of holes in here in the dead center for our bolts to go through, and then we got to weld each of these pieces together, so that something like that, so that then once we've welded all these seams here, then we can work on welding them into the bottom of the truck, into the bottom of the frame, so that we can finally bolt this thing solid to the frame of the truck. So yeah, let's get going. Here we go, guys. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got 4 of the mounts in, and they look really good. And so the next step is just to tack weld all of these guys in, all along here for each of these 4. And also, once we've done that, we've got to finish doing these front mounts. These ones are a little bit of an extra challenge because the hole is offset from this, so we're gonna have to figure out a way to change the mounts a little bit so that we can adapt for this the offset hole. But yeah, other than that, let's get to welding. after much struggle and aligning it and a lot of work, the bed is finally mounted, and it's mounted solid, which is awesome. And so now you can, I'm actually legal to drive around. And another thing that I forgot that I had to do, but I ended up not filming because it was such a pain in the butt, was this fuel filler neck. So it kind of looks ugly from this direction, so don't look there. But as you can see, it works. And it works pretty well, which I am super happy about because it took a long time, and I spared you guys all of the trouble of going through and making that. Basically, all I did was I just took the original filler neck, spun it upside down, and then welded it into this simple frame here, where it's just some 1x1 with a really small sheet of sheet steel on the back. And then I drilled a couple holes, and then lined it up right in line with the original flex hose. And the flex hose was just enough where it fit perfectly. So, yeah, things are looking good. So that'll be it for this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you still want to see more about me building this this flatbed, then please subscribe, because I'll keep posting more and more videos of my journeys in changing my my Ranger to a flatbed. So yeah, see you guys soon.